Another find again, just round the corner from the last one. And it's a dishwasher. Looks like nobody's been round here for a while. Let's see if somebody's in. Scrapman, my darling.
Yes, you can take it.
Is that alright? I've got my camera on as well, so I do videos when I collect. Alright, thank you. Cheers. There we go. Just got a dishwasher. I don't know whether the scrap metal prices drop right down because of how much scrap's about. Because usually I only just do jobs. There we go. One dishwasher going on the back. That was twitching me back then. Oh, she's squeezed through. On to the next one again.